The lion is back. The lion is back in Germany, and I just want to say it's cold in Germany. It's really cold. Yo guys, I just want to update you on my journey. My journey went very well. The flights were on time, and I got safe to Germany, and I've got to see my family and the town now. I just want to thank you all for your prayers and all for your contributions and for everything you did for the last past years and the last past months. The last past month were very hard for us in our relationship, but also as well for me because the complications with the visa and everything. So I'm now back in Germany without a tipper, and I will stay here for 3 months. So if you want to see me, you can just contact me. I will make time for you. And as well, if you want any information about what I'm doing right now, you can just contact me on my website or just on WhatsApp.